Our topic is letter writing according to the Federal Board pattern. Objectives are students will be able to write the formal letter by following the format. English letter writing formats for all boards of intermediate secondary educations of Pakistan. Dear students, it is a very controversial topic, disputed topic that what should be the letter writing exact format according to Board of Intermediate Secondary Education Lahore, BISC Gujranwala, BISC Multan, BISC Bahawalpur, BISC Sargodha, and also for Federal Board. Taking this question, the students are much worried. In their classrooms, they mostly ask this question to their teachers. So regarding this question, there is much confusion about this problem. In this regard, I have concluded these two letter writing formats for Pakistani students. How to write a formal letter. To write a formal letter, follow the below given tips. Write in a proper format and take care of the presentation of a letter. That is very important. Mention the address and date correctly, the address of yourself. Mention the name and designation of the recipient correctly. Who is recipient? A person or thing that receives or is awarded something. Receiver. Recipient means receiver. Address or greet the concerned person properly like respected sir or ma'am. Always mention the subject of writing the letter. It is compulsory. Be concise in your letter. Write the reason for writing the letter in the first paragraph itself. Don't stretch the letter too much. The tone of the letter should be very polite and not harsh. The closing of the letter should be with gratitude. Use thank you for consideration, anticipation of the letter. In the last mention, yours sincerely or truly along with your name and signature. Got it? What is a formal letter? A formal letter is an effective means of written communication between individuals, officials, or organizations. Purpose of a formal letter. A formal letter is written for various purposes to an editor of a newspaper, magazine, or journal, a principal or other professional, a doctor for an appointment, a business person for inquiry. Format of a formal letter. A formal letter has a format which needs to be followed. A typical formal letters format is sender's address, then comes date, name, designation of addressee to whom we are writing, address of the addressee, salutation, dear ma'am, respected sir, subject, then come body, introduction, content, conclusion, then comes complimentary close, thanking you in anticipation, thank, thank you for consideration, signature, name of the sender, and designation of the sender. I will give you an example of a letter so that you will come to know that how to write a letter. Write a letter to the editor of a daily newspaper complaining about the construction work on your road in the middle of monsoon season causing inconveniences to the people of your locality. I told you earlier that there are two patterns. Either you will write down your address on the right side or on the left side. Both of them are correct one and both of them are accepted by the Federal Board. First pattern I will discuss with you people. on the right hand side. Examination hall, comma, city, A full stop, then B full stop, then C full stop. This is the address of senders, because definitely I am telling you about the paper pattern. That's why I use the word examination hall, because in during your exams you are not supposed to write down your own address. It's a sender's address, full stop. Then comes your date, 31st August, comma, 2020, full stop. And then the address of the addressee to whom we are writing the letter, the editor, comma, Pakistan Times, comma, Main Street, comma, city, D, full stop, E, full stop, G, full stop. Sender's address will come on the right top of your letter, and the receiver's address will come on the left side. Subject: construction work in our locality during monsoon season causing us difficulties. Then comes subject. After city, you will leave one line. You will leave one line. Then comes your subject. What is a subject? Construction work in our locality during the monsoon season causing difficulties. This is my subject. This will tell to the addressee that what I am going to discuss with him or her. Respected sir. Respected sir. After subject, leave one line, then write down respected sir. Then once again leave one line and start through the medium of your esteemed and respected daily from the next line. Through the medium of your esteemed and respected daily, I wish to inform the municipal authorities of the difficulties the residents of my locality are facing due to the construction and repair work currently happening in our area. Monsoon season has started a few days ago and is compounding our problems. And this is the problem which we all are facing right now during this monsoon season, and especially in Karachi. The residents of the Karachi are facing. Now the next paragraph will start right parallel to the first paragraph through, and now I am going to write down the next paragraph, the second paragraph. It will be parallel to the first paragraph. Are you getting? The repair work has been ongoing for 5 weeks now and is falling way behind schedule. And now with the current weather conditions, we are having persistent problems. Persistent means continuing to exist or occur over a prolonged period of time. Problems of waterlogging and flooding in our area. Another worry is about the accidents that may occur due to the debris lying around the road. What is debris? Scattered pieces of rubbish or remains. Diseases caused due to waterlogging are another one of our concerns. Now the third paragraph will be the parallel of both upper paragraphs. Look at this. Through, then the, and then therefore. Please take care of this thing while writing your letter. Therefore, I wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities with the help of your newspaper. Hopefully, comma, you will be able to help us in drawing their attention and resolving this matter at the earliest. Thanking you in anticipation. Yours sincerely, signature, Mr. XYZ. Got it? Because in this letter, sender's address has been written on the right side corner. That's why your ending will be on the right side corner. Both of them should be parallel to each other. And the second pattern of formal letter is that each and everything will be on the left side of the page. Got it? Both of them are right. Both of them, if you adopt any pattern, you will get the marks. Examination hall, comma, city A, full stop B, full stop C, full stop 31st August, comma, 2020, full stop, then leave one line. Now, sender's address is on the left side, on the top of the left side. Are you getting? Then leave one line, then write down the address of the receiver, the editor, comma, Pakistan Times, comma, Main Street, comma, city, D, full stop, E, full stop, G, full stop. Are you getting? Then leave one line. Subject: construction work in our locality during monsoon season causing us difficulties. The same pattern, the same letter, but pattern is different. That pattern was on the right side of the page, and now we are writing the letter on the left side. This is the most appropriate pattern which I like the most. Sender's address on the top of the left side, then leave one line, then comes the address of the receiver. Who is receiver? The editor of the newspaper. Then comes receiver's address, then leave one line, then comes your subject. Then comes your subject. What is the subject? Construction work in our locality during monsoon season causing us difficulties. Respected sir, comma, through the medium of your esteemed and respected daily, I wish to inform the municipal authorities of the difficulties the residents of my locality are facing due to the construction and repair work currently happening in our area. Monsoon season has started a few days ago and is compounding our problems. It is increasing our problems. Now the second paragraph will be the parallel to the first paragraph. Kindly take care of this thing, otherwise your marks will be deducted. The repair work has been ongoing for 5 weeks now and is falling way behind schedule. And now with the current weather conditions, we are having persistent problems of water lodging and flooding in our area. Another worry is about the accidents that may occur due to the debris lying along the road. Disease caused due to water lodging are another one of our concerns. Therefore, the third paragraph will be parallel to the above both paragraphs. Therefore, I wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities with the help of your newspaper. Hopefully, comma, you will be able to help us in drawing their attention and resolving this matter at the earliest. Thanking you in anticipation. And then comes your closing. Yours sincerely, comma. Yours, yours, yours sincerely, comma. Don't put apostrophe. Most of the students make this mistake. They put apostrophe after your. No, that means that is incorrect. Yours without apostrophe. Yours sincerely, comma, then comes your signature, Mr. XYZ. Got it? Policy guidelines for English paper pattern and distribution of marks, English SSC 1 means first year. In your paper, question number 6 will be of this. This question shall be either about application or formal letter, and it contains 8 marks. Examination hall, okay, then comes date. Examination, if you will write down examination hall means the sender's address, you will get 0.5 marks. And If you will write down your date, then you will get 0.5. Then body of the letter, opening 1 to sentences. Then objective of letter, application writing 3 to 6 sentences, which we discussed already. It is having 5 marks. Then your closing XYZ 0.5. City ABC 0.5. Respected sir, ma'am 0.5. And yours sincerely, truly, faithfully 0.5 marks. Marks for the salutations shall only be awarded if the body of the letter application is written properly, irrespective of its level of accuracy or correctness. If you will write something in your letter, then you will be awarded marks of your salutation. Otherwise, no mark will be awarded to you people. Federal Board HSSC 1 examination English compulsory model question paper. This is a model question paper according to the new book sent by the Federal Board, and I took this question from there. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper about the poor sanitary system of your locality, asking him to convey your message to the authorities. You are supposed to write this letter according to the pattern which I taught you people, which I discussed with you people. This is your classwork. This is your assignment. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.